Good evening, ma. So today let us see about the functions in C. So you have different types of functions, right? That is string copy, string length, string concatenation. Okay. Among that, let us see the first function, that is your string copy function. Okay. That is string copy function, the first function. So what is the string copy function? What is the syntax or prototype? For this, that is, it is going to take two parameters, that is the first string as well as your, that is which you want to get copied from, and the second string. So what is the definition of the string copy? String copy is used to copy a string pointed by source including the null character to the destination character. Okay, so that is, it is going to copy from the source string to the destination string. So what is the source string and what is the destination string? How you are going to copy? Let us see. Okay, so this is your program for this. Let us start with your main function, right? This is an int main. Of course, your will and wish, you can take as void also. If you are going to take as void, then it is not going to return anything. Okay, int main, and this is the first string. Let us take as hello. Okay, ma? So you can directly initialize your string, otherwise you can obviously take at the runtime also, you know very well, right? And the next string, let me have, that is the string 2 and string 3. Okay, and you need to initialize, or you can also take at the runtime also. Okay, and what I am going to do is, simply I am using the string copy function, and simply I am printing whatever the string 3 is there, and just directly initialize over here, or you can read the string 3 at the runtime also. Okay, and here what I have done is, I am taking the string copy function, that is what it is there. I am going to copy str1 to str2. Okay, that is, I am going to copy str1 to str2. Okay, and then I am going to print, that is string 2 and string 3, and see once, that is here whatever it is there in str2, again it is copied to str3. That is one copy function I have written within another copy function. And simply, if you want to copy only from here to here, then simply you can write only strcpy. We have done as previously, that is str2 comma str1, that is you can copy str1 to str2, that is hello, that is given in on the first string will be copied in the second string, and whatever the second string will be there with, that is copied in the third string also. Now what I am going to do, I am going to print, that is the string 2 and string 3, not the string 1. So what will be the resultant? That is simply hello and hello. Okay, you are going to get the output 2 times as hello. So this is how you can copy simply from one string to another string, that is the destination string first, and then that is your source string next. Okay, ma? So this is how you are going to take the parameters. This is your string copy function. And what is the string concatenation here? What is meant by concatenation? Okay, that is, concatenation function appends the content of string, okay, at the end of the string 1. That is, if you are going to have two strings, then you, whatever the, that is same as it is, you are going to take the source and destination, and that is the content of string 2 at the end of the string 1. Okay, first you need to take the string 1 and whatever the string that we have taken in the example, that is welcome to I have taken, and what is the string 2? That is all our students. Then what is the prototype or the syntax? That is strcat, that is the source and the destination. Then simply I am going to print the str1. Okay, then how it is going to be print for you? Welcome to all our students. That is, it is going to append string 2 to string 1. Okay, this is how you are going to write your string concatenation function. Okay, thank you.